G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make microwave choc chip cookies. So good, so quick and simple. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a mixing bowl, put in 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of plain flour, also called all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, caster sugar, white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now just mix it together. And now just chuck in a couple of tablespoons or so of chocolate chips. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate, doesn't really matter. Now just mix it through. Now get a couple of microwave safe bowls, ramekins or something. Roll into a ball and put them straight in. Well, don't roll the ramekins into a ball, these. And just flatten it down. Now just pop one at a time in the microwave on high for 60 seconds. If it's still not ready, like if you want it to be a little bit crunchy or you want it soft, depending on how you want it, you might need to do it for 90 seconds. Well, I hope you like these. Come to Papa. That was so good. It was just so hot. Holy mamma mia, see ya here, dear. See you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.